Do you all know what diatonic triads are? That's a scary word.
That's a triad. That's what in the scale is.
That's right. So these are notes that belong in the key of a scale. So if I am in C major, I'm going to draw my scale from C to shining C. Did you see what I did there? These are the jokes.
That was a music dad joke.
I will be here all semester.
Yes, I seen what you did there. Seen.
Don't forget to sign up for classes next semester. You're going to want to get in my classes before they all fill up, huh?
This is true. 10 o'clock.
Can we go on to your next piano class?
You sure can. Please do. It's going to be at 10 o'clock.
Yay.
Okay, so if I take my C major scale, which is the bottom note, and then do it in triads using only the notes of the C major scale, I get these chords. Oh, that was not good. And if you just do the first four, you can make a song. Okay, so these are our diatonic triads. And the first one is major. And the last one is major. So we write 1 capitalized because it's major. 2 is minor. So we write lowercase 2 because it is minor. 3 is minor. 4 is major. 5 is major. 6 is minor. 7 is
Sounds diminished.
7 is diminished.
That's right, it is diminished.
Do y'all remember my formula for major, minor, augmented, and diminished? Quick review. Major is major third on bottom, minor third on top, or 4 half steps on bottom, 3 half steps on top. Minor is the reverse of that. 3 minor third on top, major third on minor third on bottom, major third on top, or 3 half steps, 4 half steps.
Are these triads that are in engineered in music?
In all music.
Yeah, see that's
Diminished is minor third, or 3 half steps, 3 half steps. And augmented is major third, or 4 half steps, 4 half steps. Yes? Okay, so those are diatonic triads. Now, it doesn't matter what key I'm in. If I'm in a major key, every major key is going to have a major 1, a minor 2, a minor 3, a major 4, a major 5, a minor 6, a diminished 7th, and a major 1. So I could be in E flat major, I could be in C sharp major. It's going to follow that same pattern. Are you with me? Questions? This is actually written out for you on your in your book on page 120. So if you want to earmark that, put a little post-it note in. You can always refer back to the order of the diatonic triads. So, go ahead.
music theory.
Music theory. Theory is good for you. So back to page 133, number 2. We have a treble clef. We have a key signature of 2 sharps. We have a triad that begins on F sharp. They want to know the key and the Roman numeral. What is our key?
D major.
Take my last sharp, sharp up, C sharp, go up a half step to get D major. Now here's when I write my musical alphabet out 2 times. I do that in case I fall in G major, I'll have my whole scale. But we're in D. D is 1, E is 2, F sharp is 3, G is 4, A is 5, B is 6, C sharp is 7, back to D being 1. My bottom note is F sharp. F sharp is the third in the key of D. And number 3 we just learned is major, minor, or diminished? Minor. So we're going to put a lowercase 3 there. Did everybody see how we got that? It's a little tricky. I want to do another one. Is that okay? The next one is in the key of 3 sharps. Father Charles goes. We're in a certain key and we've been given the triad of G sharp, B, and D. All right, let's go through the steps. Step 1, what is my last sharp? Father Charles goes, G sharp. I'm going to sharp up and get the key of A major. Did everybody see how I did that? Questions? Everybody's just staring at me. I get that a lot. Okay. If A is my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, G is my 7. Back to my chart on page 120, I know that my 7 is diminished. You see how I got my answer? Questions. I don't want to go too fast, but I don't want to go too slow either. Let me know.
Is it connected to our popular pattern?
Not really. Not really.
I'm kind of confused on how you got the answer.
Okay. Do you understand how I got the key of A? You're good there. All right. So once I got into the key of A, I knew that A was my 1. You with me there? So if A is my 1, B is 2, C sharp is 3, D is 4, E is 5, F sharp is 6, G sharp is 7, back to A being 1. Are we good there?
Yeah.
Okay. Are you good with me here that the bottom note of this triad is a G sharp?
Yeah.
Are you good with me here that a G sharp in the key of A minor is 7?
Oh, okay. So that's how I get my answer.
That's how I got it. And then on page 120, we know 1 is major, 2 is minor, 3 is minor, 4 is major, 5 is major, 6 is minor, 7 is diminished, back to 1 being major, 7 diminished. You with me? Cool. Other questions?
It's like music math.
It's totally music math. Any other questions on part 2?
But you only have to count to 12.
Yes. It requires at least 2 of my toes.
Yes.
Okay, turn the page, page 134. We are writing out major scales on the staff. So we've been given the key of 2 sharps. Hey, look at that. I'm just going to leave it up because it's already on my board. 2 sharps we decided was D major. We're going to go from D to shining D. But because this is the Department of Redundancy department, they want you to put sharps on your notes, even though they're already in your key signature. You with me? Yeah, I'm with you. Questions on part 3? Did everybody get the answer there for part 3? Okay, part 4 is just part 2 backwards. Is that true? All right, we are in the bass clef. And we have the key of 1 sharp. And they want us to know the key, and then they want us to write the 2 chord of that key. By the way, who in here is not in music theory right now? You've had it before. Are you in fundamentals?
What was that?
Are you in music fundamentals?
I'm not currently in theory, but I've already done theory 1.
Oh, what? Where at? Here?
Yeah.
Oh, you're just off track.
Yeah.
You're waiting for theory 2.
Yeah.
Okay, so you'll be back on.
Yeah.
Cool. Everyone else is in theory?
Yeah.
Right on. That's why you guys are so smart. I'm like, what is the deal? These kids are getting this. They never get it. You guys are awesome. Okay. What key am I in? 1 sharp.
G.
F sharp, sharp up. I get to keep G major. If G is 1, what is my 2?
F minor.
No. What is my 2 chord?
No, A minor.
I'm going to bop you on the head.
B.
You're right. You're right. My 2 is A, yes? Am I done?
No, you're doing your snowman. You have to build a snowman.
I built my snowman.
Oh, then
We're good, right?
Yeah,
2
we're
chords
good.
A?
Yeah.
Let's do another one. I'm in the key of 4 sharps. And they want a 4 chord?
Yeah.
4 chord. What's my key? E major. E is 1, F sharp 2, G sharp 3, A is 4. Am I done?
Do you have to write the accidentals in on this?
You do not.
Okay, then we're done.
They're all in the key signature for you.